We fly all these events all over, and the T6 is really a good airplane because it's so big. It's like a big flying billboard. Chicago, we see 2 million people. We own the PA system. For that 15 minutes that we fly, that's ours to do with what we want. And we tell everybody about the Honda generators, and it's at our motor coach, and we show everybody. And you know, in Honda generators, once people come and see them, they sell themselves.
We're getting the message across that Honda generators is the place to be and the equipment you need. We sign autographs at most of our shows. People come and say, those are the greatest guys, and we love them. And we try to have our game face on when we see all the public. And we mingle with them, I believe, just great. We get a lot of feedback from the general public asking about their products. You couldn't do a race, you can't do NASCAR, you can't do much of this stuff without sponsors. And Honda is one of our biggest and best. Keeps us going. We hope to keep them going out there.